Now we're cutting some king mackerel. It's another really popular fish in South Florida. If you ice them well, they're actually really good fresh, cooked like dolphin, the same way that you would cook mahi. A lot of people smoke them. They're delicious smoked, of course, but as you can see, it's really nice meat. And it's another one of the many really cool fish that we get to catch here in South Florida. A lot of what makes a fish good to eat or not good to eat is how they're handled once you get them in the boat. We put all of our fish in cold water and ice, and we bleed them live. So when you bleed them, you don't get any of the blood left on the meat when you go to fillet it, and you see the meat is really firm and beautiful. Shelf life is increased and the taste is definitely better.